Explore the intense world of giant machines conquering the toughest terrains. Power, precision, and endurance come together to make the impossible possible. Are you ready for an exhilarating journey? Let's go! It seems that with the heavy weight of the Caterpillar Cat 330 excavator, the tracks may not have enough traction on the soft ground, causing it to slip and get stuck in this large mud pit. The process begins with using another Cat excavator to remove the surrounding mud and create a gentle slope, making it easier for the excavator to move. To enhance operational efficiency, they evenly spread a layer of sand on the surface to optimize traction during movement. Although they encountered an issue the first time, they didn't waver. The operator relied on their skillful techniques and executed a logical strategy to handle the situation immediately. Watching them pull the excavator up was a perfect example of effective problem solving. Working in a high-altitude quarry involves numerous unpredictable risks. The Kobelco SK200 excavator operates under extreme conditions, and even observing its performance can be a nerve-wracking experience. See that? The ground can collapse without warning. An operator must have absolute composure and exceptional problem-solving skills to face this challenge every single day. Breaking down and transporting a massive Caterpillar 6015B excavator is no small feat. The process starts by carefully dismantling its largest components to ensure a smooth and safe move. The bucket, stick, and counterweight are systematically removed and loaded onto separate trucks, minimizing strain on the main frame. The scene is set. A MAN TGX 540, coupled with a heavy-duty trailer, prepares to transport a massive excavator. Though the journey spans only 50 kilometers, the dismantling alone demands nearly a full day. Without careful planning, this relocation would pose significant logistical hurdles. All right, folks, you're about to witness something absolutely insane. We've got the legendary Caterpillar D11T, a monster of a machine, about to roll over a car like it's a soda can. Place your bets. Will the car hold up at all, or will it get completely flattened? Let's go. We all know that sediment can cause major problems if left unchecked. Mud builds up, water flow gets blocked, and before you know it, a flood could strike. But with machines like the Cat 345CL long boom, everything changes. Equipped with Trimble GPS, it can dig with high precision, featuring a 50-foot boom, a 30-foot stick, and a total reach of 75 feet. That means it can access deep areas without constant repositioning, perfect for large-scale dredging projects. If you think excavation is just about digging, think again. Urig is tackling a canal project in Tuttlingen using two powerhouse excavators, the Hitachi 470-5 and 490-6. But here's where it gets exciting. Kiesel has supercharged these machines with reinforced lifting points, wider flooring, and 3D machine control. And get this, they can even be operated remotely. Oh, look at that! The Komatsu bulldozer is seriously stuck. It seems like the snow and mud have completely robbed it of traction. The first solution? They dig escape channels around the dozer, creating a clearer path for the tracks. Then, two excavators use their buckets and arms to lift and push, freeing the dozer. It's a well-known recovery technique, but it requires precision. Otherwise, all three machines could end up in even bigger trouble. Are you impressed by such smooth teamwork? Leave a comment if you have a better rescue idea for this situation. Ever wondered how landfills handle millions of tons of waste efficiently? Enter the Caterpillar 836K. Its massive steel wheels lined with razor-sharp cleats crush and compact garbage like a heavyweight champion. No clogged-up tires, no wasted time, just pure, unstoppable efficiency. It's a game-changer in waste management. This is intense! The excavator is battling against a fast-moving river, and you can see just how much effort it takes to stay in control. Can you imagine the pressure? One wrong move, and that machine could be in serious trouble. What we're seeing here isn't just a machine in operation, it's a master at work.
Такого не каждый день увидишь, да?
This method seems risky. A single cable is handling the entire weight of the excavator, which could easily exceed tens of thousands of pounds. If the tension isn't evenly distributed or the anchor point fails, the results could be disastrous. Bad move. This maneuver risks structural deformation of the excavator's frame. Additionally, excessive hydraulic pressure may lead to pump overload, reducing lifespan or causing failure. Have a more effective recovery approach? Share your insights in the comments. Prepare to be amazed. At Machen Special Transport Dog in the Netherlands, these mega machines take center stage, moving loads so massive they seem impossible. But with expert engineering and top-tier hydraulics, nothing is out of reach. The ground trembles, the engines roar, and every turn is a test of power and skill. It's not just transport, it's a spectacle of strength and precision. Just a minor glitch in the air suspension system, and chaos erupted on BR040. This shocking incident is a wake-up call. Safety is the top priority. Investing in high-quality equipment and rigorous training is not an option. It's a necessity. Even the smallest mistake can come at the highest cost.
Aí, galera.
Wow, this operator's excavator skills are next level. He maneuvers that Hitachi excavator off the trailer with insane precision, like it's second nature to him. And just when I thought I'd seen it all, he tilts the machine effortlessly, shaking off the mud from the tracks like a pro. Absolutely mind-blowing. At first glance, the scene seemed alarming. I almost mistook it for a brutal act involving a catman and the notorious Komatsu mist beast. However, on closer observation, it was a demonstration of exceptional skill and strategic execution. Well done, team. The efficiency and coordination are truly commendable. Ever wondered what it takes to control a bulldozer on extreme terrain? Let me tell you, it's not for the faint of heart. These operators need nerves of steel and razor-sharp skills to handle the constant threat of landslides, imbalance, and rough terrain. One wrong move, and disaster strikes. So next time you see a bulldozer at work, take a moment to appreciate the real-life action heroes behind the wheel. Snow removal in mountainous regions is a complex operation requiring both power and precision. The machine must handle thick, slippery snow while navigating steep, narrow roads. Stability is crucial to prevent slips or rollovers, ensuring a safe and efficient clearing process. What a tricky rescue operation. Thankfully, everything worked out in the end. The roar of two Scania 140 V8s departing from the veteran convoy at Kulaveg Station, Sweden, is truly a wonderful sound. It's heartening to see these legendary machines still in action. This isn't your average loader truck. It lacks a ramp for easy unloading. That means the excavator operator must rely on precise, calculated movements to dismount. This maneuver isn't just tricky, it's high stakes. With years of experience under their belt, only seasoned professionals with at least 5 years in the field can execute this safely. One wrong move? The consequences could be disastrous. The journey to transport the Caterpillar 385C excavator was filled with difficulties and challenges. The oversized load made the truck look bulky, but it's incredible how the professional drivers managed to get it through. Whoa, did you see that? This driver has insane control, smooth, steady, and totally fearless. But imagine the pressure. One tiny mistake, and that machine could be toast. And those tailgate hinges? They better be built like a tank to hold up that beast. Are you ready for an unforgettable experience? At the Romania Exhibition and Marcom Machinery Fair, Komatsu will blow your mind with thrilling live demonstrations. Get up close, witness the raw power of these machines, and don't forget to share your thoughts. Hey there, future thinker! Did you enjoy that? If so, show some love, like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. Forestry Tech is here to fuel your innovation journey. See you soon. When a rookie hesitates, the machine hesitates. That's when people start second-guessing every move, even if it's technically safe.
Нет, стой! О!
The long-reach excavator is like a giant machine, graceful yet powerful, making deep digging seem effortless. I can't help but wonder, how do these machines perform such extraordinary feats? Absolutely incredible. Welcome to the ultimate demolition showdown. Demolishing industrial giants isn't just about brute force. It's a high-stakes game of strategy, precision, and pure adrenaline. The operation unfolds in several well-defined stages. Precision cutting is executed using high-grade concrete shears that surgically slice through steel reinforcements. Finally, hydraulic breakers, engineered for calibrated performance, shatter reinforced concrete. This type of operation not only requires heavy equipment, but also a team of experts who know how to use it effectively. Planning is crucial to ensuring that each machine works in harmony. Moving massive pipelines is a high-stakes operation where precision is everything. A single miscalculation could crush equipment, wreck the pipeline, or worse. Oh my gosh, my heart is pounding. That's why seamless coordination between machines and skilled operators isn't just important, it's non-negotiable. Digging isn't just a step. It's the key to removing tree stumps safely and effectively. Skip it, and you're in for a struggle. Without loosening the soil, roots hold firm, resisting removal and putting unnecessary strain on the excavator. That's a surefire way to damage your equipment. The Takuchi TB290 packs a punch, but when faced with an oversized, heavyweight tree stump, even its strength might not be enough. Lifting? Possible. Rotating and moving? That's the real challenge. Will this machine conquer the beast, or will it meet its match? Rescuing a stuck digger isn't just about brute force. It's all about technique. In Bournemouth, a team of skilled operators carefully strategizes every pull, ensuring stability while minimizing damage. This drone footage captures the precision required to recover heavy machinery from shifting sand. A true masterclass in excavation recovery. The Volvo excavator moves with surgical precision, tearing through concrete with unstoppable force, every wall crumbling exactly as planned. This isn't reckless destruction. It's calculated demolition, orchestrated by seasoned professionals. Watching a once familiar structure reduced to rubble in moments stirs an undeniable sense of loss. Still, in construction, change is inevitable. Every fallen building paves the way for something new to rise. Whoa! Look at that fierce river. Do you think that excavator can make it across? Hold your breath. This is intense. Fantastic. Success is starting to take shape. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you loved these amazing moments, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated on newest content from Forestry Tech.